Looks too risky. Maybe just the other entrance. What do you think? Give me a moment.
Time to see what's left. Hello, old friend.
Oh my God. Is that what I think it is? It's exactly what you think it is. All right, old friend, let's see what you still got.
I can't believe it. After all these years, it's still here. God, it's really seized up. Nothing is moving. This is gonna be a tough one. God, that's bad. This might be salvageable, but it's gonna take a while. I remember this day. Look at this old thing. It hasn't changed at all.
Come on, you stubborn bastard. Ugh. Finally. Almost there. Careful with that, hold on. Got it now. Clear. That's out of the way. Keep it steady. Slowly. Just keep it straight. Almost there. Straight ahead.
God, what have they done to you?
All right, old girl. Time to fly again. Looks like major corrosion here and on the cowl. The chassis seems surprisingly solid, though. We'll need new panels, but the heart's still beating. All right, let's get this paint looking decent again. That's better. Now to see how deep the rust goes. Look at this. It's completely eaten away. The mounts are gone. This is a mess. We have to weld all of this back together.
It's seized. It's not moving. What do we do now? Let's see. Oh my God. Look at that. It just completely went.
Well, that's just completely gone. This is a lot worse than I thought it would be. Almost got it. Careful. Careful now. Just a little more pressure. Easy does it. She's free. All right, just a little higher. Steady now. Easy, easy. Don't clip the fender. Got it. Lower it slowly onto the stand. I think that's it for the driver's side. Okay, I'll keep going with the wires in here.
Okay, let's bring her back to life. This is the start of the transformation. This is even worse than I thought. A real Superbird. But look at it. This isn't just fixing it, this is a rebirth. Looks perfect. Let's keep going. Verified. It's solid. Perfect. She's dead straight now. How the heck that century? This is gonna take a lot of elbow grease. Yeah, looks like it's been sitting here for decades.
Yeah.
All right, suspension's tight. Move to the exhaust now. Looking good. Make sure the alignment is perfect. No rust there. Looks like the bodywork is solid. Just need to check the curve of the fender. Almost there. Just a little to the right. Got it.
Got it.
Perfect fit. Come on, baby. Nothing. Still nothing. What is it, B? Needs more fuel, I think.